Hey everybody, it's your boy Mattie here on this Sunday. Happy Easter to all the members of the altcoin buzz army that are celebrating. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a few different topics, including this piece. And as per Adamant Capital, Bitcoin is in an accumulation phase before the next bull run. Here on dailyhodl.com, 150,000 Bitcoin trading record broken in crypto Milestone. We'll let you know what that is all about. Luke's got this article for us. Wevest has chosen the Stellar blockchain for its security token services. Here on chepicap.com, the migration from Ethereum to Binance Chain. Who is next? Speaking of Binance Chain, some analysts say that could send the price of Ethereum tumbling back down to double digits. We have an Enjin update that will alert you to on Twitter, but let's begin here with CryptoPotato.com for today with this piece. Bitcoin price analysis for the 21st of April. Bitcoin consolidation for 5 days. Is it time for a sharp move now? So Easter, holidays, and weekends. Over the past 3 days, Bitcoin has been steady inside a tight range of 5,200 from below and 5,350 from above. Now, there's nothing wrong with checking out this piece. In fact, I would recommend you check out this piece, and they do a good job of analyzing the 1 day and the 4-hour charts. However, at the time of this recording, we are seeing a little bit of a retracement in the market today. So take everything that's said here with a grain of salt, but if you're interested in an analyst's take on where things could potentially go over the course of this Easter holiday and this weekend more generally, and perhaps beyond, then take a look at what they have to say. Here on EthereumWorldNews.com, according to Adamant Capital, Bitcoin's in an accumulation phase just before the next bull run. Article here from the 21st of April. A new report by Adamant Capital concludes that the bear market for Bitcoin might be nearing an end, with the currency entering an accumulation phase before the next big bull run, compared to the crypto winter of 2018, during which investors were forced to shed Bitcoin or suffer losses as the currency fell from 20,000 to about 3,000. The current market has traders much more optimistic about the price outlook. Investors are now accumulating Bitcoin, putting pressure on bears who may be selling just ahead of another big rally. Tour de Meester and Michel Lecrassoit, co-author of the report, said that the current price point for Bitcoin should be appealing to investors. Quote, now at 75% below its 2017 all-time high, we believe the current bear market represents an exceptional opportunity for value investors. Hey, it's what I've been saying all along, and in what Adamant Capital refers to as an accumulation phase for Bitcoin, the analytics firm expects Bitcoin to trade in a range of 3,000 and 6,500 as bears unload their coins to willing bulls who are looking to lock in a discounted price for the number one cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Quote, the recent price rally from $4,000 to over $5,000 markedly improved hodlers' unrealized P&L, improving our report sentiment value from capitulation to hope. At the end of the day, guys, if the market continues to tumble, let's say we go back down to new all-time lows. I don't think that's going to happen, or 2019 lows at least. However, even if that is the case, my strategy is just to continue accumulating, and that's not financial advice, but this report rings true for me because, yeah, I kind of agree with this sentiment. So for however long things continue, that's just an expanded amount of time, in my opinion, that I can continue accumulating. Let me know what you think, and check out this article in full. You can also check out the report, which will be linked to below. Looking at this piece now on dailyhodl.com, 150,000 Bitcoin trading record broken in crypto Milestone, plus news and updates on Ripple and XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron, and Stellar. So Brazil now holds the Bitcoin trading record for Latin America, reaching more than 150,000 Bitcoin, worth roughly $800 million in the last 24 hours. That's according to the data tracker CoinTrader Monitor. This new high comes just days after local crypto exchanges in Brazil broke through 100,000 Bitcoin in 24 hours, which was also a record breaker at the time, and that's according to Crypto Facile. Brazil's struggle with rising inflation, currently at 4.58%, along with Bitcoin's sudden rise in price at the beginning of April, appears to have triggered the recent surge in volume. Spiraling inflation has also led to an increasing adoption of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in Venezuela and Argentina, highlighting the strength of digital assets as a store of value and as a means of moving capital across borders. You can check out these updates as well for Ethereum, Ripple and XRP, Litecoin, and Stellar, which are always provided, as well as Tron, which are always provided on dailyhodl.com. Switching over to altcoinbuzz.io with this article by Luke from the 20th of April, Wevest has chosen the Stellar blockchain for its security token services. Wevest Digital AG, a Berlin-based fintech company, will use the Stellar network for its upcoming security token services. So Wevest Digital AG is a fintech company that offers digital investment banking services for small and medium-sized enterprises. After looking for a suited blockchain for its security token services, the team behind Wevest decided to go for Stellar. According to a press release, Wevest identified Stellar as the most suitable platform for its new product. Didier Gopfert, head of product at Wevest, said about the decision to start with Stellar, quote, "Stellar was an obvious choice. It combines simplicity, speed, cost efficiency, and met all our requirements. We are glad to join the Stellar ecosystem along with several other European companies, contributing to the adoption of blockchain-based products and providing SMEs with easy and efficient access to equity financing through electronic securities." Boris Reznikov, director of partnerships at Stellar.org, said about the news, quote, "We're thrilled for Wevest to become the latest German fintech to join the Stellar ecosystem. Wevest's investment platform takes advantage of what the Stellar network does best, facilitating the efficient transfer and exchange of value, and we look forward to the upcoming launch of their platform." So congratulations to both sides on this partnership. It looks to be a promising one. For all of the juicy details and the minutiae of the arrangement, check out Luke's article in full and let us know your thoughts in the comments below as always. Here now on CheppyCap.com, the migration from Ethereum to Binance Chain. Who is next? Article from the 19th of April. The Mithril project has been announced as the first cryptocurrency to move to the Binance Chain, the Thursday launched native blockchain of the Binance Exchange. Myth is definitely not going to be the last project to move to Binance, so what can we expect in the next few days? As a reminder, Binance Chain launched on the 18th of April and will execute its mainnet swap on April 23rd. Tokens on the Binance Chain will be referred to as BEP2 tokens. So here you had a tweet by Changpeng Zhao, of course the CEO of Binance, who said that Myth will be one of the first projects to migrate tokens onto Binance DEX. Our community, thank you for the support. So the wording of that is very particular and very important. One of the first projects, of course, which we all knew, of course, that there are going to be many more, but that more or less confirms it. So in recent follow-up news, you've had Atomic Wallet that's basically come on the heels of the Mithril announcement and have pointed out that they're going to be the second project. They've announced that they will migrate to the Binance Chain. Atomic Wallet is one of the wallets supporting Binance DEX from the beginning. So they tweeted the following on the 18th of April. Congrats, Binance Chain on mainnet launch. It will be fully supported in Atomic Wallet next release. Our AWC token is one of the first projects to migrate on Binance DEX. Now, all of a sudden, and this is unsubstantiated, but there are rumors that Enjin perhaps may be the next project that's going to be migrating to the Binance Chain. This has largely to do with an AMA, and Ask Me Anything, of the Enjin team in the Binance Telegram group earlier this month. In that AMA, their CEO Maxim Blagov dropped a huge hint saying that his second favorite feature of Enjin is not released yet, but coming very soon. I'll give you a hint. It involves Binance Chain. So hold on to your butts, everybody. This, like I said, that's still something that's out of the rumor mill. We cannot confirm it just yet, but we'll know soon enough one way or the other. Announcements are expected with the Binance Chain migration on Tuesday. There are more announcements expected within the next few days from projects who will be moving or launching on the Binance Chain. A lot of traders will be following these updates closely after the Myth token jumped 70% following their announcement, and we covered that the other day. Just a huge price spike following that very good news for the Mithril team. Speaking of our friends over at Enjin, we have this update, this tweet from the 19th of April. The Enjin wallet will fully support Binance Chain, including BNB assets and Binance DEX exchange functions. We're excited to be part of this Binance revelation and provide Enjin wallet users with convenient, secure, and precise trading platform. For all additional information, you can, as always, check out enjinwallet.io. Are you guys concerned that Binance is becoming a monopoly, a giant in this space, that it's crowding out some of the others? Not so much in my case, although I do understand the argument. If you're interested in taking a look at what one analyst feels some of the consequences could be, check out this piece on newsbtc.com. Binance Chain could send Ethereum price back to double digits, according to one analyst. Ethereum sitting at about $170 at the time of this recording. So this is not something I agree with necessarily at all, but if you're interested in taking a look at this particular perspective, and maybe you want to weigh in on the issue, let us know your thoughts. I don't think that it's a direct one-to-one competition in that sense. I don't think the success of one would send the other spiraling into obsolescence. But again, if you want to take a look at the specific arguments here in the article, which we don't quite have time to do together, then take a look and let us know your thoughts as always. And I think that about wraps it up, everybody, for this Easter Sunday edition of the Crypto News. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media and keep checking back into our website, altcoinbuzz.io. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. And happy Easter, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, if you're celebrating. Have a good one out there. Hey, if you choose to invest, be careful, and I wish you only all the best fortune, but do have a wonderful Easter Sunday, and we hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.